Okay, we're here at the Teagasc stand at the National Ploughing Championships, and I'm joined by Karl Richards, head of our Environment Division in Teagasc. So Karl, this is all about carbon sequestration here today. Firstly, what is carbon sequestration?
So carbon sequestration is the process by where plants remove carbon dioxide from the air, they use it to grow, and some of that carbon ends up in the soil, being stored there as carbon sequestration.
We have a very fancy piece of kit here behind us in terms of the flux tower. How does that work in terms of capturing that data?
So briefly, what it does is it measures the concentration of carbon dioxide in the air, and it also measures the airflow, be it the vertical and horizontal airflow. And from that, we can calculate how much of the carbon that has come in the atmosphere versus how much has been emitted. The net difference is how much carbon has entered the soil.
Does soil type have a huge bearing on it?
Soil type is really important. So generally our mineral soils are a sink of carbon. They sequester somewhere around 2 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year. But on our drained agricultural peat soils, they're a net source of emissions, and they emit at the moment about 20 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year, so 10 times more. So soil type, really important.
I suppose alongside that, then the management of the soil in terms of farming practices, how does that play into the whole scene?
Yeah, so on a grassland farm, farmers can increase carbon sequestration by better use of their manures, improving soil fertility, and also planting alternative forages such as grass clover or multi-species swards. And on tillage farms, again, improving soil fertility, including organic manures applied to their crops, and then during the non-cropping season, ensuring that you've got cover crops or incorporating straw.
Excellent. Thanks very much for your time, Karl.